3 coats on, but this azalea is just budding up and looks even better than yesterday when it was such a pleasant spring day. Must have been that she liked the heavy rain we got during the night. I swear to you, yesterday it was just a hint of color on all of these fat buds. Look at this one. Gorgeous. And let me show you something else. That Pieris, its new growth is bright red, and this azalea right next to each other. Oh, they complement each other so nicely. And I see some alliums starting to flower. Next week is gonna be a full display of alliums here. These phlox are just amazing. And this yellow chartreuse spirea complements beautifully this little weed I have over there. Look at that. I've gotten used to the 30 Celsius degrees weather. The bearberries make such cute blooms. Look at that. Aren't they cute? And they complement nice. Is it just me or this laced elderberry looks like it has a hint of blue? Matches perfectly the new addition to the garden. Pull some weeds along the way. That deutia is ready to pop. It's gonna be such a gorgeous white, beautiful shrub when it's in full bloom. I think it did suffer from some frost damage because I see some burnt tips, but I still have plenty of